So in this video what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to delete the ledger lines if you're using alpha notes in Finale. And I just figured this out last night, but what you do, let's say you have some notes here. I'm just going to go let's say on that second measure you have these, and what you do, make sure you click your arrow on your Finale, which is the arrow tool up here. Then make sure that you go to plugins, and you're going to go to Note Beam and Rest Editing right here, and then you're going to go down. Let's say you have alpha notes. Now you've got the notes in there. Let me zoom a little bit more. Now you're going to go back up to plugins, and we are going to look for hiding the ledger lines. So we have some notes that are having ledger lines in between, like the C, it'll have a line cut through it. So we want to ledger lines hide like that. And that's how we get rid of those ledger lines. Now, that may not be the only way. You can also check out the staff menu and go under the elements for the display, and it could tell you, okay, like ledger lines, blah blah blah. Am I gonna see this? You know, use note staffs. No, that's not it. But yeah, it will have all of these different things that you can check from. So you might want to check this one first.